Instagram is testing a new type feature within Stories so users can share text-based messages as an alternative to photos or videos. Although it was originally detected last December among users in Japan, it is now also appearing for select groups in Europe. The function appears as a separate option at the bottom of the screen when it is inside Stories, along with other common options such as Boomerang and Live. Once you select Type, you can write and choose different options for the background and the font. The feature is not very different from what you can already do on Instagram. To achieve the same now, just take a picture, click on the pen tool at the top, select a color and then hold down the screen to create a blank surface to write. Also, in the new implementation, it seems that the default background is a bright umber, giving it the style of Facebook statuses with colored backgrounds. Mashable says that users will also have the option of using a photo for the background. Creating a shortcut to share text-based content within Stories is a useful tool that focuses on something that people already do on the platform, with only 1 or 2 additional steps. It is not clear if Instagram will launch Type in a more generalized way.